Beautiful Chinese custom theme for Xiaomi Global. Depth effect wallpaper. Flashlight animation. Lock screen album art. Lock screen dynamic island. You can install this theme on global devices. Backup file and description. Watch tutorial video to learn how to install. Home screen widgets. iOS 26 icon pack. HyperOS 3 support control center. Custom lock screen. Always on display. First, apply this. Next, apply lock style. This theme. Double tap to custom. Clock style custom. Wallpapers custom. (3D) effect. Depth effect. You can import your own wallpaper. Wallpaper and description. Open Theme app and go to Customize Theme screen. Lock Style Custom. Import wallpapers. First, import original wallpaper. Second, import background removed wallpaper. Enable this. Change text on lock screen, bottom bar. Enable your own wallpaper. Custom home screen widget size. You can change only home screen wallpaper with Google Wallpaper app. Transparent control center. All themes include one backup file and description. Install on global devices with backup and restore method. Watch tutorial video if you don't know how to do it. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.